Hi friends, I received this dog carrier for reviewing purposes, and I want to tell you that I am super excited because I have 3 pets. You are going to see one of them later. And I think this is really useful when you travel with your pets. This is airline approved, so it's aimed for air travel, for flights that you take with your pets. And you will be able to bring them with you really easy and with, well, more safely for you, for your pet, and for other people, okay? So let's put it together and see how it works. As you can see, it has this leash in the inside. So if you have your pet inside, you can put the leash in his vest and it won't go away. It has this nice base, when your pet is in the carrier. Well, it will have a nice place to stand or to rest. Okay, has this large over-the-shoulder strap, so you can bring your pet with you. Okay, and let's put together you put it here with these velcro strips. Okay. And that's it. You can use both the doors in both sides. Okay. Let me show it to you. Okay. As you can see, you can bring it with you. Perfect. Let's try it with Milo. Milo. Okay, so this is Milo. We're going to put him inside. Well, it's a little bit big for Milo, but you get the idea. Okay. Okay, and this way you can bring your pet with you through the airport and up in the plane seat. Okay, you can carry him with this accessory or with the arm like this. Okay, it has also well, more accessories. Here you can put something else, whatever you want to put here, maybe another luggage piece or whatever. Here you have another places to put other things. Here you have a mesh bag to put other accessories, maybe the pet's vaccination card. And this way you will be able to bring your pet everywhere with you. Let me show you. Okay, really easy, really practical and safe for your pet, for you, and for other people in the airport or wherever you are traveling. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, Milo.